Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a topic that's buzzing in the agricultural world. Agricultural drones. You might be thinking, drones in farming? Yes, you heard that right. These high-tech gadgets are revolutionizing the way we grow our food, manage our crops, and even protect our environment. So, grab a cup of coffee, settle in, and let's explore everything you need to know about agricultural drones. First off, let's talk about what exactly an agricultural drone is. In simple terms, it's an unmanned aerial vehicle, or UAV, that's specifically designed for agricultural purposes. These drones come equipped with advanced sensors, cameras, and sometimes even specialized software that helps farmers monitor their fields from above. Imagine being able to see your entire farm without stepping foot outside. It's like having a bird's-eye view of your crops, and that's just the beginning. Now, you might wonder why drones are becoming such a big deal in farming. Well, traditional farming methods can be labor-intensive and time-consuming. Farmers often have to walk their fields to check for pests, diseases, or nutrient deficiencies. But with drones, they can cover vast areas in a fraction of the time. Drones can fly over fields and capture high-resolution images, allowing farmers to assess crop health, identify problem areas, and make informed decisions. It's efficiency at its finest. But it's not just about saving time. Drones also provide data that can significantly improve crop yields. By using multispectral cameras, these drones can capture images that reveal how plants are performing. They can detect variations in plant health that are invisible to the naked eye. For example, if a section of a field is not getting enough water or nutrients, the drone can highlight that area, allowing farmers to address it promptly. This precision farming helps maximize productivity while minimizing waste. Let's talk about some of the specific applications of agricultural drones. One major use is crop monitoring. Farmers can regularly fly drones over their fields to gather data and track changes over time. This ongoing monitoring helps them understand how their crops are growing and when they might need intervention. It's like having a personal crop consultant that's always on the job. Another exciting application is in precision irrigation. Drones can help farmers optimize their water usage by identifying dry spots in their fields. By pinpointing areas that need extra irrigation, farmers can ensure that they're not overwatering or underwatering their crops. This not only conserves water, but also promotes healthier plants and better yields. Drones are also proving to be invaluable in pest management. Instead of spraying pesticides all over the field, which can be harmful to the environment, farmers can use drones to identify where pests are concentrated. With this targeted approach, they can apply pesticides only where needed, reducing chemical usage and protecting beneficial insects. It's a win-win for both farmers and the ecosystem. Now, let's address an important aspect: data analysis. It's one thing to collect data with a drone, but what do you do with it? Many drones come with software that helps farmers analyze the data they gather. This software can create detailed maps and reports, giving farmers insights into their field's health and productivity. By harnessing this data, farmers can make strategic decisions about planting, fertilizing, and harvesting. It's all about using technology to work smarter, not harder. Of course, we can't overlook the regulatory side of things. If you're thinking about getting into agricultural drones, it's essential to understand the rules and regulations governing their use. In many countries, including the United States, drone operators must comply with specific guidelines set by aviation authorities. This includes obtaining licenses, following flight restrictions, and ensuring that drones are operated safely. It might sound daunting, but it's crucial for maintaining safety and accountability in the skies. Now, let's talk about the cost. You might be wondering, are agricultural drones affordable? Prices can vary widely based on the drone's capabilities and features. Entry-level drones can start at a few $100s, while more advanced models with specialized sensors and software can run into the thousands. However, when you consider the potential return on investment through increased yields and reduced resource waste, Many farmers find that the benefits outweigh the costs. It's an investment in the future of farming. And speaking of the future, let's touch on some exciting innovations on the horizon. The agricultural drone industry is rapidly evolving, with new technologies emerging all the time. For instance, some drones are now equipped with artificial intelligence, allowing them to analyze data in real time and make recommendations on the spot. Others are being developed to carry out tasks autonomously, such as planting seeds or spraying fertilizers. The possibilities are endless, and it's an exciting time to be involved in agriculture. But here's the thing. While drones are a powerful tool, they're not a magic solution. Successful farming still relies on knowledge, experience, and hard work. Drones can provide insights and efficiencies, but they work best when combined with traditional farming practices and expertise. It's all about finding the right balance. So, whether you're a seasoned farmer looking to modernize your operations, or just someone curious about the intersection of technology and agriculture, agricultural drones are worth exploring. They represent a shift towards smarter, more sustainable farming practices that can benefit everyone, from farmers to consumers. As we face challenges like climate change and a growing global population, innovations like these will play a crucial role in feeding the world. In conclusion, agricultural drones are more than just a trend. They're a glimpse into the future of farming. With their ability to enhance efficiency, improve crop health, and promote sustainable practices, they're transforming the agricultural landscape. So, if you're intrigued by the idea of flying above your fields and gaining insights like never before, it might be time to consider how drones could fit into your farming journey. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep exploring the amazing world of agriculture.